Neakasa sent me their M1 automatic litter box, so in this video I want to do a quick setup and give my first impressions of this. The first thing I see is going to be this quick start guide, and then right under that is going to be this mat. There's also a smaller box that contains the support legs, and here's a closer look at them. We also have a user manual, a box with the power adapter, 2 rolls of baggies, and finally the automatic litter box itself. So the first thing to do is to attach the 4 legs, but first this has to be turned on its side, and so the mat can be placed right on the side and then turned over like so. And the legs can be clicked into place, and make sure when installing them, these screw holes are hidden inwards. So it's gonna go just like this. And the good thing about these legs is at the bottom there's gonna be a rubber coating, and this is to prevent this from slipping on any surface you put it on. So when I go ahead and push it, the whole table moves with it. So these legs aren't just for aesthetics, but it's actually functional because of the waist spin. So this can be pulled right out, and the spin actually collapses downwards, just like so. And that's Tiger, by the way, he's curious about this. And now the bag can be placed right in here. And the correct way to put this bag would be with the drawstrings facing you. So it's gonna go right through this loop. And then make sure the bag isn't tucked all the way so it doesn't interfere when pushing it in. So now it's time to move the Neakasa litter box to place. And an important thing to note is grabbing it, because it shouldn't be grabbed over here. It should be grabbed all the way at the bottom, just like so. And the mat can go right here. And also, it does have 2 adhesives, so if you want, you can stick it in place over here. But I might be moving this, so I'll just put it right underneath, just like that. And the plug for this is going to be on the right side. So now that it finished that cycle, I can add some litter here. And if you take a look at the back, there's actually going to be some lines. So this line over here is going to be for 100%, and it should be below the 100% line, but above the 50% line, which is somewhere in the back here. And there, now it's done. So when it comes to setting it up on your phone, you do have to download the app, which I scanned the QR code and the instructions and got to here. So I created an account, and now I want to add the robot. And this is going to be the M1 at the bottom here. All right, it says switch on device, hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds until hear the beep, and the Wi-Fi button light keeps flashing. And that's going to be right over here at the end. Yep, that's all good. So now indicator light is flashing. Next step, please select a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So let me put my password real quick and then click next step. All right, so now it brought me to getting started, so I can add my cat, and I can just add a picture, nickname, birthday, breed, weight, and gender. So now I can save the information and next step. Now it's time for setup. I can create a nickname for my cat litter box. In this case, I'll just leave it blank since I only have one of these. And automatic cleaning, there's gonna be 2 modes, smart mode, which it'll automatically clean up after my cat uses it, or cycle mode. And in this case, I'll just leave it to smart mode. And cleaning time, I'll actually set it to 10 minutes. And automatic coverage, all right, I'll leave that as is and click next. Please pour in cat litter, not more than 100%, so I already did that. And now it asks me to select the current scale, so this is roughly at about 90 to 100%. So I'll actually bump it up to 100 and start calibration. And then right here, it gives me a QR code if I want to share with family and friends so they can also download the app and have control of this. I'll just start. So before Tiger uses this, I want to show you a little bit more throughout the app. Now at the bottom, there's going to be 3 different tabs. The middle tab is going to be home. The left tab is going to be shopping, which is going to show me the website. And the right tab is going to be the account. Now this is going to be the home screen. So from here, I can do a few things. I can clean it, and I'm not going to clean it now because it's clean, or I can enter. And this shows me a little bit more information about it. So here we could see there's 100% of the cat litter. Waste bin, it's normal, and I have 4 different settings. So again, I can clean it, and it's always going to give me a warning that it's going to last about 3 minutes. Leveling it, calibration, and shopping, which is going to take me to shopping. And now over here, this is what happened so far. It was used 0 times, and it was cleaned 0 times. Now at the bottom, these are working records. So this is going to be a few minutes ago when I just leveled it manually. And here it says manual leveling completed. Now at the upper right corner, there's going to be a few more settings. And here there's going to be cleaning settings and other settings. So this is stuff we set up at the beginning. So if we want to change it, such as the time for smart mode to occur, if automatic covered is on, auto leveling, and then other things such as non-stoppable cycle. And it says when turned on, if the litter bin rotates within this safe angle, cats entering will not interrupt the operation of the machine. And there's also kitten mode. So when the kitten weighs less than a kilogram, we'll recommend you turn on kitten mode. The litter box will not be closed automatically in kitten mode, and do not disturb mode. There's another cool thing, which is going to be reminder settings, just so it sends me a notification when I should clean various things, such as cleaning the litter box itself, emptying it out, cleaning the waste bin, or a reminder to buy more cat litter. So I do want to turn some of these on, including litter box cleaning reminder. And here I can set the time for it to remind me and the reminder cycle. So I want to do this every 20 days or 21 days, 3 weeks. Reminder time, I'll do the morning, so let's go for 8 a.m. and then save that. And it also beeped over here. And emptying reminder cycle. So yeah, 7 days seems fine. And then once again, I'll do this at 8 a.m. as well. And waste cleaning reminder for buying cat litter, I'll just leave those blank. And now other settings. So device name, I have it Neakasa M1, so that's going to be the litter box itself. Cats, here I can change the cat profile, so since I only have Tiger, he's fine there. I can also share the robot, so if family members or friends want to download the app and see what's going on, they can go ahead and scan the QR code. There's child safety lock, 24-hour time, update, and product info. So if I turn on child safety lock, it beeps over here. And with child safety lock on, I can't press any of these buttons. I can't power it. I can't clean, level, empty, or turn off the Wi-Fi. And the only way to actually function this is to turn off child safety lock. And now I can press anything. So let me level it. And it's blinking on and off green, letting me know that it's occurring. And so as far as functions go, there's not going to be a lot here. Again, we can turn it on or off. We can clean it, we can level it, empty it out, or turn on or off the Wi-Fi. And when I look at the app again, it's going to give me another notification or a working record that says a manual leveling completed.
So Tiger finally arrived, and after realizing it was a litter box, he went right inside and started using the bathroom for the next 2 to 3 minutes. And then 10 minutes after he got out, the litter box started cleaning itself. And this is a fast-forwarded version, but this lasted about 2 minutes and 34 seconds.
So that's the entire cleaning process, and when you saw the green was blinking on and off, that meant the cleaning was occurring, and that takes 3 minutes. And when I look at the app, here I can see the information when Tiger used it. So it says cat entered, stayed for 2 minutes, 39 seconds, weighed 5 kilograms. So it didn't recognize Tiger because I set Tiger's weight differently. So I guess this is what he weighs. So I could just click onto his profile and then select that it was Tiger and then confirm. And now it says Tiger entered, 7:40, smart cleanup completed. And this was 10 minutes after Tiger got out of the litter box itself. And when it's time to empty all the litter out, this sponge just has to be held and it'll rotate and dispose of all the litter down here. And if you're wondering what it looks like currently, here it is, Tiger's number 1.